GoMage LightCheckout is a one-page checkout extension for Magento that makes the checkout process faster and easier than ever before. It combines all the necessary steps in a single page and provides many useful options to customers and administrators. Our current version offers a 30% higher data update speed and supports all the major European languages, with more being added all the time. GoMage LightCheckout is a profit-making solution that allows the creation of a unique layout to correspond to the seller's brand and business needs. GoMage LightCheckout simplifies the checkout process so much that even the most inexperienced online shoppers find it easy and user-friendly. Now, let's visit the front end of the checkout page. Here we can see the billing address field with the country field already filled, as the GeoIP technology automatically identifies the buyer's country from their IP address. The shipping address box is checked, meaning the billing and shipping address will be the same. However, if they are different, the buyer simply unchecks the shipping address box, which will prompt the two shipping address fields to appear in step 2. If shipping and billing addresses are different, the registered buyer can use their address book for future orders. Here, we see the billing and shipping fields available in a pop-up window offering different address options, as well as the option to add a new address if necessary. Let's take a look at the VAT tax field. GoMage LightCheckout offers very useful options for VAT verification using the VAT Information Exchange System. As per VAT regulations, the buyer is excused VAT if he is an EU resident and his country is not the same as the seller's. Many online stores experience lost sales as buyers decline purchases to avoid paying non-applicable taxes. Now that GoMage LightCheckout has implemented VAT verification for EU countries using the VAT Information Exchange System, your online store is trustworthy and your business safer. Moving on to shipping method. Besides the shipping modes supported by the standard Magento kit, GoMage LightCheckout supports UPS, USPS, FedEx, DHL, Royal Mail, and many others. Time of delivery is a very useful feature that communicates to your customers that their time and convenience is your priority, allowing them to choose a convenient date and time for delivery of their purchase. Available delivery times can be set by your store administrator. Now to payment method. GoMage LightCheckout supports all standard Magento payment modes as well as the majority of the most popular ones, including PayPal, Zero Subtotal Checkout, Check, Money Order, Purchase Order, and Authorize.net. The new version of GoMage LightCheckout includes PayPal 3D Secure, a fraud prevention feature required by Visa and MasterCard. And lastly, the order review stage. Here, customers can add or subtract quantities or remove products on the checkout page, providing the corresponding options have been set by the store administrator. Activating discount codes allows customers to insert discount codes on the checkout page to receive discounts created by the store administrator. Here we see a comments field for the buyer to leave a message if they choose. A checkbox for terms and conditions and newsletter subscription are available features if set by the store administrator. Congratulations! We see the order has been received and the thank you for your purchase message displayed. Now let's visit the back end to see the available administration options and features. In the General section of the admin panel, we enable GoMage LightCheckout as it is disabled by default and set the skin color. If a default country is set, this country will be automatically inserted for shipping and billing addresses. Default shipping method and default payment method will be the active methods on the checkout page if activated by the store administrator. Only available shipping and payment methods will be displayed in the drop-down menu. The page title field allows the administrator to enter text to be displayed in the browser's title bar on the checkout page. Text entered into the page content field will be displayed at the top of the checkout page. The option Enable Different Shipping Addresses allows the use of different shipping and billing addresses. Setting Yes in Change Quantity and Remove Item from Checkout provides the option for buyers to add or subtract quantity and remove items from checkout. Please note the option Disable Cart. Selecting Yes removes the shopping cart. As most online customers tend to spend the majority of their time enjoying shopping and only a few minutes on the checkout procedure, disabling the shopping cart helps save time. In our experience, customers usually associate simplicity of checkout with efficiency and quality of service. Setting Yes in Enable Discount Codes provides your customers with the use of discount codes on the checkout page. Registration allows us to set conditions for our buyer's status while placing an order. Here we have the following options. Only Guest Customer means that only guest customers can place an order without an account creation. Only Registered allows only registered customers to place an order, or customers that create a new account during the order and checkout process. Registered and Guest Customers allows all customers to order. New customers can check out as guests or create new accounts while placing their order. Here we can also enable or disable the checkbox for account creation. The Delivery Date section gives us a great deal of options. First, we can decide if we want to have a delivery date field visible at all. Next, we can set the dates that delivery is available. The Hour From option sets the start time for deliveries. The Hour To option sets the end time. Setting the interval for delivery days, we determine a period of delivery beginning from the purchase date. For example, if today is Monday and an interval equal to 1 is set, Tuesday will be the first available delivery day. The enabled GeoIP setting automatically determines the user's country, postcode or city based on their IP. When the customer selects a country or enters a region, postcode or city, GoMage LightCheckout automatically updates information in the shipping method and payment method sections when the AJAX setting is enabled. Let's have a look at the section that allows us to enable and disable fields. Using the drop-down menus, we can show or hide fields and checkboxes or set them as required using Sort Address fields in the admin panel. We can assign the order for address fields in billing and shipping for the checkout page. Here, we can elect to enable the Terms and Conditions field and input the terms and conditions text as well as options to set the sizes of the window. And now to the EU VAT tax setting field. Supposing our EU VAT is enabled and the base EU country is the country of the seller. If the buyer is a resident of another European Union country, he or she is exempt of VAT, provided they have entered their VAT number and it is successfully verified. The next field registers the transaction as a business-to-customer or business-to-business purchase if the buyer and the seller are in the same EU country. We set with VAT in accordance with the VAT rules, and this tax is applied to the purchase. If the buyer and seller are in different EU countries, here the customer selects without VAT and inserts their VAT number. After successful verification, the VAT is not applied to the purchase. You can choose to display a checkbox and text under the Tax VAT field to add an explanation of this feature for your customers. Set Yes to show a checkbox as checked or unchecked, and then input the text you would like to display. Thank you for your interest in the features and benefits GoMage LightCheckout offers your online store. If you have customized your version of Magento with modules and extensions, please contact our technical support to confirm the compatibility of GoMage LightCheckout with your customization. Good luck and happy selling!